I extend a hearty welcome to each and every one of you on behalf of the Entrepreneurship Development Cell of St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, Kolkata. It is with great pleasure that I introduce to all of you our esteemed guest, Mr. Vaibhav Goyal, a technophile with a BTech degree from IIT Madras and a postgraduate management degree from the SP Jain Institute of Management and Research. Mr. Goyal currently holds the position of founder and CEO at Prediction AI. His organization specializes in guiding enterprises through intricate AI endeavors, offering AI services to implement transformational strategies, and constructing real time machine learning solutions grounded in data driven and ethically responsible AI principles. With a remarkable career spanning over 2 decades, Mr. Goyal has played a pivotal role in building and managing cutting edge technology and AI platforms. His contributions have been instrumental in propelling India's digital landscape forward, including the geo-digital revolution. Notably, he is recognized as an authority in generative AI and has been named a LinkedIn top voice in AI. In addition to his professional achievements, Mr. Goyal is a volunteer as a mentor and jury in NASCOM Deep Tech Club and as a mentor in IIT Madras Research Park, Telangana AI Mission, and many others. We are truly privileged to have you join us today, sir. Your insights and experiences promise to enlighten and inspire the curious minds gathered here. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to you for sparing your invaluable time for the session on AI. On behalf of the entire EDC team, I extend our best wishes to all participants, hoping that this session will offer a profound and enriching learning experience. Without further ado, I am delighted to hand over the virtual podium over to you, sir.
Thank you, Arsh, for such a nice and wonderful introduction. And thanks for having me here. Yeah, so here people. Just let me know when you can see my screen.
So it's visible.
Good morning, all. Here we are going to talk about artificial intelligence. I think everybody knows how AI waves are traveling across the globe. It is impacting everybody's life, right? Be it Alexa, be it Google Assistant, Maps. So AI is everywhere, okay, and it's touching lives, it's touching businesses. So in this session, we are going to cover how how we can use AI to reach maximum productivity. This is briefly about me. I'm a co-founder at Prediction AI, and as Harsh explained, right, I'm a mentor at NASCOM Deep Tech Club, IITM Incubation Cell, Telangana AI Mission, and Indo Center. Okay. So I help in deep tech startups, grooming, mentoring, helping them develop products, launching them, DTP strategies, and so many things. I'm also an active writer at LinkedIn and top voice in AI. And I do mentor, advise, architect several deep tech projects. I have shipped about 25 products so far in my career, in my 20 years of experience. And I'm a BTech from IIT Madras and MBA from SP Jain Mumbai. So today we are going to talk about AI advancements in various industries. So how is AI impacting various verticals of this industry, of like finance, manufacturing, healthcare, and so many others. And what is AI for professionals and students? Okay? What does AI mean for professionals working in these industries and for students as well? How you can leverage AI applications to enhance learning experience. This is primarily for you all. Yeah. So who are studying in colleges, how we can leverage AI applications, what different use cases, applications are available at your disposal to enhance learning experiences. We'll also talk about AI-related myths. Then we'll cover AI scaling, why AI scaling is so important for a budding professional, why you need to skill yourself. And then we'll get into future of work in AI-led world and how to get started with your AI journey. So that's a flow for the session. So before we start, let us see how is AI impacting the world. Okay.
AI powers virtual assistants like Alexa, helping us plan our day. Ever wonder how Netflix knows your taste? AI analyzes your viewing habits, offering personalized recommendations. Smart home devices use AI to learn our preferences and automate our home environment. Even our commute is powered by AI. Autonomous vehicles use it to navigate and keep us safe on the road. AI is not just for the future. It's here in our everyday lives, making things easier, personalized, and efficient. The real magic of AI? It's invisible, seamlessly integrated, working behind the scenes. AI technology enhancing our everyday experiences, one moment at a time. Embrace the convenience. Feel the impact. Welcome to a world powered by AI. AI is weaving its magic not just in daily life and tech-led sectors, but in the creative fields as well. Our first stop is the music industry. AI is revolutionizing music composition, generating melodies that can rival some of the best human composers. With AI, creating a symphony is now as easy as typing in your preferred chords and style. Next, we enter the realm of visual arts. AI is also creating waves here, painting breathtaking pieces that blur the line between human-made and machine-made. These fascinating artworks are not just random strokes, but thoughtful expressions of AI's programmed neural networks. AI isn't just limited to music and art. It's also making its mark in the world of literature. Believe it or not, AI is co-authoring novels, generating compelling narratives that captivate readers. It's a new era of storytelling where machines play a significant role. In all these creative fields, AI is not replacing human creativity. Instead, it's enhancing it, offering new tools and techniques for artists to explore. It's a collaboration, a partnership between human imagination and AI's capabilities. As we journey further into the 21st century, the bond between AI and creativity will only deepen. This synergy is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, redefining creativity in the digital age. So, let's embrace AI, not as a threat, but as an ally in our creative pursuits. Together, humans and AI are creating a unique symphony of art, music, and stories like never before. It's the future of creativity.
So I believe you have got a sense of how AI is impacting lives, consumer lives. It is impacting businesses. It is impacting several industries, and it is impacting creativity field as well. Like we can expect new movies, new content, new forms of art forms being generated by machines. Okay, and definitely, it is not replacing any of the existing people out there. It is just going to help aid them, give them new ideas, make them more efficient, essentially, in the pursuit of this work. Let us talk about some of the AI advancements in specific industries. So I'll cover a few industries. So one is healthcare. So what is happening in healthcare? So you know about medical imaging, right? AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases and abnormalities, reducing the need for human interpretation. So we all know that medical imaging, such as X-rays and MRIs, are subject to human subjectivities in terms of diagnosis and other things. So we can use AI algorithms to diagnose and interpret and also improve the accuracy of diagnosis. And as we speak, there's a lot of work which is happening in radiology already in healthcare, and we are seeing interesting solutions coming up in this space. The second field which is out there in healthcare is drug discovery. So AI is helping in discovering new drugs by analyzing large amount of data and analyzing patterns, right? So it's a research work about identifying new drugs, and that is done with the help of large amount of data which is available, and doing pattern recognition, pattern identification on top of that. Third use case of AI in healthcare, which is being adopted, is personalized medicine. So AI can help personalize treatment plans for patients based on their generic profiles, medical history, and lifestyle. So understanding a patient, understanding the background of history, understanding what kind of lifestyle and history and other profile which is out there, AI can pretty much help fine tune and personalize the treatment. So it is almost like every patient gets a different treatment with the help of AI. And then we are seeing a lot of chatbots coming in, which can help patients with scheduling appointments, refilling prescriptions, and answering medical questions. So a lot of Q&A which comes, like appointment booking, filling prescription forms, answering medical questions, and also a lot of care which is required by patients can be done with these chatbots. Moving on, we talk about finance. Okay. Finance, in the field of finance, how AI is helping, and what are the advancements which are happening. So one of the bigger biggest problems in finance is about frauds. Right? We see lots of frauds happening, especially with digital products out there. We're seeing KYC frauds, we are seeing transaction-based frauds. So all kinds of frauds are happening, and AI can help in detecting these frauds very early. Okay. So AI algorithms can analyze financial transactions to detect fraudulent activity. So if there is a transaction which is happening, AI can pretty much analyze, monitor, and flag that this particular transaction is likely to be a fraud, and that helps improve security of these transactions. That's first use case. Second is about credit scoring. So there are a lot of credit scoring models which are available. We see all credit scores being published, right, by different agencies. Now these credit scores can be enhanced further because AI models can be very complex. It can take different data, like it can also understand your social media, your online behavior to further augment and make your credit score more intelligent. So think of it like this. Okay, so if you are, let's say, traveling abroad, okay, and doing a lot of this travel, obviously you are more social and you are more into travel. Obviously, you are having a decent income or income about some level. Okay, so that signal comes and then that gets added to your credit score. Okay, so similar to that, there are a lot of other behaviors that are monitored and can be factored inside credit scores. Third is about portfolio management. Right, so portfolio is about identifying different opportunities, undervalued stocks, optimizing portfolio performance. Okay, right now portfolio management is done by people, but people have their own limitations. Okay, they have their own biases, but AI can help investment managers, okay, to be more efficient with these decisions and can help them serve more customers. And finally, definitely in customer service, we've already seen a lot of banks rolling out chatbots, right, for helping you with their basic queries, account balances, transaction histories, and loan applications. And these chatbots are going to become more intelligent as we go along. Third industry that I want to talk about is transportation, the mobility sector, AI advancement in this industry. So autonomous vehicles, we've seen Tesla in US, right, already making big waves, okay? And then self-driving cars is coming to India soon. So how does it work? It works on enormous amount of data which is out there. It understands where is the direction. It understands a lot of obstacles which are there. It understands the signals. Okay, so the computer vision which is out there in these cars helps understand and then navigate the vehicle according to that. So this is one of the biggest application of AI in the field of transportation. Secondly, it's about traffic management. So AI can optimize traffic flow by analyzing real-time traffic, predicting congestion and adjusting traffic signals to reduce wait times. So if you know that traffic flow is going to happen or traffic movement is going to happen in this direction, okay, it can help you guide you and tell you that this is the new route, okay, you can take. So very intelligent way of managing traffic is what it can assume to come with AI. We can always also do logistics optimization for people in logistics industries. Routing delivery vehicles is so important, right? So which route to take, right, for delivering from point A to point B, and such kind of algorithm, AI algorithm can optimize this logistics for efficient deliveries. There's use case of predictive maintenance. When vehicles needs maintenance, reducing downtime and improve overall efficiency. So if we know that a certain vehicle is going to get broken in some time, okay, that AI can predict, okay, and then at the right time, care is taken. Okay? So it helps you reducing the downtime and improving overall efficiencies. Moving on, okay. So I just covered a few industries, finance, healthcare, and transportation, but AI is impacting media entertainment, is impacting marketing, HR, sales, creative fields, and so many other industries. Okay, so yeah. So coming on, I'm going to talk about how AI is impacting professional life, people who are in marketing, right? What are they doing, okay, with AI? They are now having a tool in front of them to design personalized marketing campaigns, right? So the campaigns that we see traditionally were very simple, plain vanilla, same for all, okay. But with AI coming in, what we can expect is AI will pretty much personalize this marketing campaigns, which means inserting name, inserting preferences, inserting messages. Okay, so all this can be very much personalized, even the language which is used in this messaging. Okay, so starting from simple things like names to replacing the content preferences and also the messaging can be done with AI. And I think when you speak, we are already seeing these campaigns coming out. Copywriters, I think ChatGPT and so many other tools that we are seeing now is helping a lot of copywriters, right? So a lot of copywriters need a lot of research, a lot of ideas to start with, right? So creative copies or copies of different nature. Okay, so I can use various prompts, okay, and then generate these creative ideas and literally speed up copywriting process and make high quality copies which are like 10x or 20x better than what the current status quo is. It is impacting sales representatives. Okay, sales people need to forecast sales trends, potential leads, understand, to understand and prioritize their work. Okay, so I can pretty much analyze that how much sales I can do, what is the buying pattern which is going to happen, what are the potential leads which I have can convert. Okay, and basis that I can adjust my work. So this is one of the biggest use case for sales people. For HR people, recruitment automation. So on one side, there's a lot of demand for people out there for different skill sets. On the other side, there are a lot of unemployed people which is out there. And it is a humongous process to identify right people for right jobs. And AI can definitely help in recruitment. It can automate a lot of things like analyzing resumes. It can pretty much scan the resumes, conduct initial rounds of interviews, and also shortlist candidates. Okay, so you can assume that the basic process of shortlisting, doing L1 round and L2 round also can be done using AI, so that at the L3 or L4 level, you will have people who are really qualified and suitable for that kind of job. Okay, and it helps you scale up the entire recruitment process. For finance and accounting professionals, fraud detection definitely is important for finance people. So I just covered this before, right? Analyzing financial transactions and unusual patterns can easily be done using AI. And for accounting professionals, a lot of data entry work is out there, pulling up data from different places, reducing errors, freeing up accounts to focus on more strategic tasks. Okay, this can easily be done using AI. Coming to healthcare practitioners, medical diagnostics, okay, is one big use case for healthcare practitioners, and which is what I spoke about before too. For educators need to train students in a very personalized way. So as I explained before also, AI can help you personalize a lot of things. So AI can help educators to come up with personalized learning plans. When I say personalized learning plans, it means plans which can suit learning pace and styles of different people. So students who are weak in certain areas have different certain style of learning, certain rate of learning. You can come up with different kinds of course structures and learning plans. And AI is already doing this in many ways. For journalists need to create a lot of content, write a lot of articles, create videos. So all this can be done very fast with generative AI. You can get a lot of help from there, and with human intervention, the creativity is the limit. Yeah. Coming to graphic designers need aid in layout options, color schemes, fonts. So you already start seeing AI and recommendations in Canva and Figma and other tools which are there for graphic designing. And we'll see more and more as we go in the future. For legal professionals, contract review is important, and AI can analyze legal documents for inconsistency and potential issues. So imagine a 100-page document which has to be reviewed by a legal professional. Takes times. It is not efficient. There is a human subjectivity involved. There are biases which are there. And all that can be removed easily with AI. AI can just analyze this document, flag all those inconsistencies and potential issues, and speed up the entire contract review process. For supply chain managers, demand forecasting is important, right? Demand for products, optimizing inventory management and supply chain operations. And AI can help in all this. For IT professionals, one use case is about cybersecurity monitoring. So AI can help you monitor network activities and respond to these threats in real time. For researchers and data scientists, a lot of data is out there. Researchers need to analyze this data, big data, which is what it's called. Okay? And identify patterns and insights. So all this can be done easily with AI. For customer service, we know chatbots of all different nature are being devised and being rolled out as we speak. And it is just helping customer service representatives serve their customers better. Project managers, task automation, right? Prioritizing tasks, scheduling tasks, resource allocation. All that what we do on manually can be automated now. We're already seeing current project management tools being augmented with AI-based recommendations now. For retail professionals, a lot of recommendations which need to generate based on the customer purchase history and all can be easily done using AI. And we also already see things like this in e-commerce, but that's happening on physical stores as well now. For artists, I think generative AI is heaven, and we've seen a lot of new artworks with tools like DALL-E and Midjourney, and creation of music, videos, all that is happening. So I think so what I wanted to say is AI is impacting lives, it is impacting industries, it is impacting lives of all the professionals across the board, okay? Be it legal, medical, HR, marketing, sales, customer service person, or finance professional, healthcare professional, and all. Okay, so AI is impacting all different sectors of industry. But remember, understanding AI does not require technical background. It demands a willingness to learn, curiosity, and interest. So AI does not need technical knowledge to really use it. It needs willingness to learn, be curious, and interest. By following these steps, individuals without a technical background can confidently engage with AI-related topics and discussions. So here I want to just cover AI for non-technical students, because I understand this particular audience, right, is not engineering in background, and they're all from different backgrounds, be it humanities, from different, or from journalism and other fields. So AI for non-technical students, definitely it can enhance learning experiences, right? So the learning experience that you get currently manually, you can assume that AI tools can empower you to enrich this learning experience. I have a slide on this, so I'll talk about this more. It can help you with research and project assistant. You can do a lot of research very quickly with tools which are powered by AI. And it can help you with a lot of inputs on your projects as well. So a lot of research work and project assistance can be done using AI. You can use AI to solve a lot of complex problems, right? By creating right prompts and giving right instructions and right data. And I have a use case to explain how prompts are generated and how prompt engineering is done. Creative boost, definitely creative boost is something that you all need, right? And AI can also help you in enhancing your career opportunities. Right. So some of the tools that I put for learning experiences, and I'm sure some of them you're already using, right? For language learning, like tools like Duolingo, lingo there, okay, will help you learn, adapt learning. Your tools like Squirrel AI, Brainly, which helps you in assisting studies. Okay? It's like a AI powered tutor or collaborative learning. For writing, you have Grammarly, you have Pro Writing Aid. So these tools, which used to be without AI, now are being powered with AI. You've got AI-based recommendations. It helps you generate and write a lot of documents and helps you improve your writing. And then there are tools for productivity and time management that you can use to organize, prioritize your tasks like to-do list, rescue time. For content creation, curation, the tools like Adobe Spark and Lumen 5, they're all powered, laced with AI. You can create a lot of content very fast and very efficiently. For science-based exploration, Google Earth, Skyview, tools are available for you to explore and find out new things. For people in history and culture, they can use tools like Google Arts and Culture, Timeline World History for arts and historical exploration. And then things on mind mapping. So tools like Goyal, okay, which help you in collaborative mind maps and generation. Okay, so these are some of the tools that are at your disposal. There are many more which you can use in your daily life and enhance your learning experiences. Okay, let us touch upon some of the AI-related myths which are out there. What we feel is that AI is a single unified technology. That's not true. Okay, AI is an umbrella of technologies underlying it. Be it machine learning, it has NLP, it has got computer vision, it has got recommendation engine, it has got deep learning, it has got neural networks. So there are a set of technologies which actually form AI. AI is inherently evil. AI is not evil. AI is here to help you. It is necessarily required in everybody's life. So there is nothing to fear about AI. AI will replace all human jobs. This is not true. AI is going to make humans more efficient, more productive, increase their creativity, and help them make better professionals. Okay, so AI is going to help you, but AI will help you help only those people who actually use AI. Okay? So if you are not using AI, you might be out of jobs, okay? Possibly. AI is self-aware. AI is not self-aware. AI is machine. It does not have consciousness. Okay? So there's a lot of research work which is happening, but I can tell you for sure that AI is not self-aware. AI can solve any problem. That's not true. Okay? AI cannot solve every problem. Every problem is different. AI needs manual intervention. Human has to get involved in actually coming up with solution. So AI is not panacea. It cannot solve all the problems in this world. Okay? AI is a replacement for human interaction. No, it is not. Okay, AI cannot replace human interaction. Human interaction will be required in future as well. But AI is going to aid people who are going to serve customers, going to serve other people out there. AI is unbiased. No, AI is biased. AI models are created with data. Now the data can be biased. Okay, so if you are, let's say, building a model for recruitment and there are a lot of data about males, then definitely the model will have bias towards males. So this bias is based on how AI's models are designed. AI is a standalone solution. No, it is not a standalone solution. It works with software. It works with other layers of solution, and it gets embedded into that. Something like Netflix has recommendation engine. Okay, Netflix is an application, but recommendation engine, which is AI, is being integrated now in the entire consumer OTT application. AI will never make mistakes. Yeah, not true. AI makes a lot of mistakes. It hallucinates. It does not work all the time. And there's a lot of research happening to improve the performance and make use of it. So yeah, so I have now slides to cover about talk about why AI skilling is important. Okay, so I think this is for you all. Why AI skilling? It is like getting a VIP to future of work. You know, all future of work is about AI. So you obviously need to skill yourself with AI, whether you're working in any area of this world. But you will have to be AI literate. You need to skill yourself with AI, and it is like a path to your future. So upcoming professionals adding AI skills to your repertoire is like investing in a career upgrade that pays off in a longer run. So everybody out there needs to upgrade themselves, need to learn, educate, practice these tools, make use of them to better themselves, and continue learn about them. And I have slides to talk about how we can do this. Right? Why AI skilling is important? It is important in this age of adaptability. Professionals need to adapt to different situations, different work styles, and by acquiring AI skills, you will definitely become more adaptable and ready to navigate this changing landscape of work. Right? You definitely get a competitive edge. Right? People who are not AI literate, not AI skilled, you have an edge on them. It gives you efficiency boost, right? You in your everyday life, if you use AI, you are more efficient than others. Definitely, you can use AI for innovation, a lot of research, a lot of product ideas in all the sectors. AI is important, and it is important for you to be ahead of the curve and upgrade yourself, innovate things. For entrepreneurs who are here to create new product businesses, this is important. Problem solving arsenal, right? You can you can use AI to solve a lot of different ranges of problems. Okay, and that's why AI skill is important. You need to know how to make use of AI tools to do that. And definitely, not the least, creativity is something that that has taken a big boost. Okay, with generative AI coming in, and students and professionals can use all these tools and should know how to use them properly, how to write prompts, how to increase the output efficiencies, and really make use of these tools to enhance their creativity. Now I'll cover future of work in AI-led world. So how the work is going to change in AI-led world. So there are two kinds of roles I expect. One is AI replacing human workers, and second kind of roles is where AI will be a tool rather than replacement. So what kind of jobs are getting replaced? Automation of repetitive tasks. A lot of tasks which are repetitive in nature, which are rule-based, which are like data entry jobs. Now these are no jobs are going to go away. There is no second thought about it. Okay? So people in these kinds of roles will definitely be replaced. Okay? Superior performance in certain domains. Okay? So AI has already surpassed human performance in certain areas like playing chess, recognizing images, and natural language processing. So wherever AI is better than human, in domains where this is happening, AI will replace humans. Okay, for sure. Okay. Areas like where cost savings and increased efficiencies are seen, okay? Like AI solutions that can offer significant cost saving. So let's say a human who charges this X amount of money, right, to do that work, and machine can do it 1x of that cost. Definitely, AI will replace humans there. Okay. So in all these three cases, AI is going to replace human workers, and definitely these workers need to upgrade themselves to make use of AI and change their roles or type of roles they should do, and they should be really concerned. Okay. Now, what kind of jobs are not replaceable, and AI is going to be an additional tool rather than relying solely on it? Okay, like complementary strengths. While AI excels in processing large amount of data, collaboration between humans and AI can create a lot of synergies. Okay? So definitely you need human to add creativity, intuition, emotional intelligence to what AI provides. So AI and human can work together and then complement each other and provide right decisions. Ethical consideration. Okay? There are areas where AI is used responsibly. Ethically means AI means considering the impact of employment and society. Okay? So that has to be ensured. Okay? AI is used responsibly and ethically, which means jobs which will actually ensure that AI is used responsibly are going to be there. Limited contextual understanding. AI still struggles with understanding nuances, interactions, contexts, and a lot of things which human do. And these kinds of roles and jobs is where AI is still going to be there. AI and humans are going to coexist. Okay? Need for human oversight. Okay, there are lots of roles where supervision of human is required, like monitor. So AI can help you with a lot of inputs, but definitely human expertise is required. Let's say for a recruitment, you will need a human to take a final decision. AI can definitely help you there, and AI is going to create new jobs. So it's not just about replacement or an additional tool, but AI is actually help you get new jobs. Like prompt engineering is one job. AI developer, AI trainer, responsible AI engineer. All these roles are coming up, and you'll actually create these jobs roles. Yeah. So how can you get started with your AI journey? So this is the last segment, okay, of what I'm going to cover. So what do you need to do now? Okay. So you know AI is important. You know AI scaling is important in your journey. So how do you start? So start with basics. Start understanding concepts, AI concepts like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, NLPs, computer vision. There are lots of resources out there on internet, Wikipedia, YouTube videos, ChatGPT. All these tools are available at your disposal. You need to educate, learn about basics. What do they mean? Okay. So get familiarized with the basics of AI. Focus on applications. Okay. So how AI is being used in different industries. Yes, right. So be it healthcare, finance, transportation, education. So just analyze and see how AI is being used. Okay. See what kind of tools are being used. Okay. Appreciate them. Understand the case studies. Okay. So specifically in the industry you are interested to work in, understand how it's impacting. Understand what kind of use cases are there. Understand what kind of tools are being used. Understand the professionals out there. Talk to them. Engage with non-technical content. So you can engage with content which are published in Verge, Wired, MIT Technology Review. There are lots of technologies, websites, blogs, podcasts are available which are for non-technical people, right? And then they help you understand in AI concepts in simple terms. You can join online communities like online forums, social media groups. So many debates, discussions, explanations are there for non-experts, right? So you can engage yourself, you can also contribute, and you can learn a lot of things from other people. You can attend AI events like local events, meetups, conferences. A lot of these events are happening, and you can be part of it to learn from speakers. You can ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions while encountering AI-related terminology or concepts, right? So you should be curious and ask questions. You can reach out to experts in the field and join communities to get clarifications. Learn from visualizations. Okay, visualization helps you simplify complex AI concepts. Okay, so things like infographics, animations, interactive visualizations can illustrate algorithms or how they apply to different domains. Okay, so rather than getting technical jargons and complex algorithms, you can understand them with nice visuals which are available. Analogies and metaphors. So you can use analogies, right? So comparing a neural network to a group of filters in a photography studio. So a simple analogy, but can help you understand AI concept better. You can leverage existing knowledge. Let's say if you know how a car engine works, you might find it easier to grasp the basic of self-driving car. So leveraging that existing knowledge is so important. And support AI literacy initiatives, like encourage schools, libraries, and community center to host these AI literacy initiatives that can help spread awareness. You can also learn from following industry leaders and researchers, right? On LinkedIn, social media, a lot of industry leaders are there. You can actually follow them, understand the research, which is what they're doing, understand the work that they're doing, read research papers. So Archive is a platform for academic papers and research papers. So a lot of papers are available free of cost. You can read them. You can read what is the latest thing which is happening out there in the entire world. Okay. Engage in ethical discussions. Okay. You can discuss, among yourself at a platform. Engage in how AI is going to be impacting and why ethics are important in a new AI-led world. Okay. So you will understand how ethical AI should be designed. Okay. And embrace lifelong learning. Okay. So learning in AI is not just one time or 2 times or 5 times, but it is like a lifelong learning. So you need to continuously upgrade yourself, continuously need to talk to people, continuously work on things, use tools, get feedback from people, work in some projects, and continue learning. Yeah, so I think a couple of use cases, and I'll just wind up this session. One is like people who are entrepreneurs who are curious to learn digital applications and coding without coding. You can use low-code tools, low-code tools like Bubble, Adalo, and OutSystems. These are tools which help you with no coding. You can actually design and develop applications. Definitely for design, you have got tools like Canva, Figma, and all that, which is helping non-technical people to design high quality user experience. Okay. There are AI-powered tools for customer support, marketing, project management. All that is available to you. You don't need to really be an expert, but you should know how to make use of these tools. And then there are tools available for data analysis, right? So with all the help of this tool, you can do design, you can develop stuff, you can analyze data, you can market, you can create project management system and all that. So all non-technical people out there, you don't need to be coding. You can use these tools and come up with your products, your ideas out there. You can create websites, you can create your own podcast, you can create a new product, digital product, or you can do anything else out there. Second is start writing excellent marketing copies using ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT prompts are not simple. Definitely, you need to understand how to make use of ChatGPT prompts, right? So assume that you are an email copywriter with a 3-year experience in the industry, and you are given a task to launch an email for a new workshop for a growth school on ChatGPT 101. Okay, this is the task. So you need to instruct ChatGPT, say that make the copy of the top fun and designed to resonate with the audience of 20 years plus old, trying to figure out the way. So this is a target audience which is out there for this workshop. And this is the instruction, first instruction. Second instruction is focus a lot on users who are working in marketing, tech, product, and design roles, and how the workshop will benefit them. So there's a spread of the audience. Talk about interesting things that will be covered, like hacks, tools, and prompt collections as bonuses. So all that is instruction is fed into the prompt. And then about data, include a review from someone who said this session is no-brainer for anyone who wants to stay relevant and in 2023 and beyond. It's mind-blowing. Okay? So all that way, how you design prompt, how you write prompt will actually help you get a right copy of a launch email for you. So this is about what I had today for this session, and I'll open this up for Q&A. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such an insightful session. Now we'd like to move on to answering some of the questions that our attendees have put down in the chat box. So the first question is, how do you think the widespread use of AI is affecting the way humans think and problem solve? And what are the implications for the future of human cognition?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I think human thinking, creativity, and problem solving is definitely going to see a big boost. Right now, with the limitations of what human can think, is hindering our progress, our problem solving skills, our creativity. So with AI at disposal, you have tools which are out there which will expand your horizon, like expand your way of thinking. You can get many more ideas to think. Okay, so I think there'll be plethora of ideas at your disposal for new work that you want to do, and AI is going to make you super productive. So I think AI is going to accelerate this journey of creativity and innovation, and help all the professionals who are working and make them super productive.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening insights. So the next question that we have is, for researchers and data analysts, how can they get hold of comparatively newer and latest information through AI, since AI bots are not updates in real-time basis?
Can you repeat this question?
Sure, sir. For researchers and data analysts, how can they get hold of comparatively newer and latest information through AI, since AI bots are not updates in real-time basis?
Okay, so this is not true. Okay, AI bots definitely can update themselves. So none of the models are static. Okay, so there's a technology of scrapping real-time information which is out there and updating these models. Okay, the AI models and bots out there. So with the help of scrapping and updating models, AI models can be enhanced to create and keep these bots updated.
Thank you, sir, for the thoughtful answer. So the next question that we have is, according to you, can one fully depend on AI in automobiles and the new technology of self-driving cars?
Very interesting question, I think. So I think there is no one answer. Definitely AI, self-driving cars are here to be there. Okay, so I think we will see definitely self-driving cars in certain specific sections or use cases. Okay, AI might or self-driving cars might not replace all cars which are out there, but definitely it's going to replace specifically in places where roads are smooth and it's well managed and all those things. Okay, so I think definitely in countries like US and Europe, there is going to be wide scale adoption, which is going to happen. But in countries like India as well, we will see self-driving cars coming in and being used. And I think future holds a lot of promise. And I am a firm believer that we will see a lot of AI. Maybe not just self-driving car, but will actually help drivers. So there is something called driver assistance tool. Okay, with AI can help and aid drivers in preventing accidents, in understanding road conditions, and also helping in predictive maintenance. Okay, so that kind of technology is coming in before self-driving cars.
Thank you, sir, for such an informative answer. So the next question that we have is, what emerging trends or breakthroughs in AI research do you find most exciting or promising?
Okay, so I think if I have to, so I think research is happening in all the domains of AI, right? Starting from NLP, which is about understanding natural language, right? To computer vision, which is about understanding images and videos and generating all this. To expert system like recommender system, where you come up with new recommendations, and then things like multimodal AI, where you use not just one model, okay, which is text, but you use mix of text plus audio plus video and all that. Okay, so I am particularly excited about this multimodal AI, which is where a lot of research is happening right now. So I can give you a simple use case of this, right? So let's say you want to analyze a profile of a person on LinkedIn, okay, or on social media. Right now, the tools which are out there pretty much scraps either the text or the audio or the video, okay, right? Most of them you actually use as text as a basis and use NLP to understand that behavior, okay. But that might not be sufficient, right? You need to use images, you need to use videos, you need to use a mix of graphics and so many other things, okay, right? So with multimodal AI, what you can do is you can pretty much take all these different medias, right? Analyze them using different models and generate a comprehensive solution, right? Which actually encompasses the entire personality. Okay. So I think that's one use case I just explained. But similarly, for surveillance and for so many other fields, we can start embracing multimodal AI. And I think ChatGPT has already come up with vision in the latest ChatGPT 4, right? So now you can actually upload an image, not just a text, okay? And then while uploading an image, you can actually understand and ask questions from it, okay? So I think we are going to see, because if in a real word or a real thing, right? The word is not just about text or video or audio or anything else, right? Word is having everything, okay? So I think this particular research and area is what excites me, and I have already started seeing some beautiful technologies and products in this area, and yeah, I think very interesting space.
Thank you, sir. The answer was truly enlightening. So the next question that we have is, what are your recommendations for individuals interested in pursuing career in AI research or development?
Okay, so if you are talking from technical standpoint, people who are in technical engineering side, definitely. So what you need to do is you need to start working on projects, take up some internships, okay, specifically in data scientist or be a prompt engineer. Okay. I would say these are two roles in AI which are sorted after now these days, and you need to get exposed to them. You need to start making use of tools, libraries. Python coding is what you need to do, and understand different libraries is out there, and and also use open source models like Llama 2 and all, which is released by Facebook, and fine tune them. Okay, so I think what you need to do is you need to understand the basics. You need to learn programming. You need to understand the frameworks. You need to understand how open source projects work, collaborate with other people, and work on real projects. Okay. So I think once you are done with internships, you can take up real projects. There are a lot of projects which are out there in open source world. You can actually work in a bigger team which is spread across the globe, okay, and contribute in those projects to learn more and more. So it's more of peer-to-peer learning is what I would actually strongly recommend for people who are really looking to create AI models and AI applications. Yeah, and make this as a career. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your expertise. So the last question that we have is from the YouTube audience. So don't you think that when it comes to financial markets, AI can have more disadvantages than advantages?
AI can have. So I think I don't know who has asked this question and what kind of disadvantage the person is saying or mentioning or hinting. But I can assume, as I said, right, AI can help you in a lot of insights, right? It can help you. So you do a lot of technical analysis, right, in stock market specifically. You need basis now the stock is moving and a lot of data around that. There are lots of tools which are out there, and also humans do that themselves. Okay, so I think with AI coming in, what you will do is you will actually start seeing all these predictions being done very fast. Okay, right? So it's not just about analyzing past data; it's also about predicting future. Okay, right? So AI actually helps you predict, and definitely where the prediction, there is a degree of uncertainty in there, right? So you will need to factor in those factors, and you need to fine tune those models specifically for specific markets to make sure that the predictions are good. Okay. And I don't think we are going to rely just on AI for any decision like this, right? So AI might predict that this is how it is going to happen, but it is going to be corroborated with experts, okay, and their views, okay. So if you see use case of AI is about aiding and supporting in this, right, in decision making, not replacing anybody, okay. So without AI, there is X situation which is more complex, which is more not so efficient. With AI, you have solution, you have insights and real predictions out there at your disposal. Okay, so I think AI is not going to be disadvantageous anywhere. Okay, it is for people who can make use of AI. Okay, so if you can really make use of AI, it is going to make you 100x better. Okay, as a profession.
Thank you, sir. Your answers were truly enlightening. So now we'll be moving on to the closing ceremony.
We bring this thoroughly enriching speaker session to a close. We are confident that the learnings today will serve as an invaluable asset for all attendees as we navigate the expansive world of AI. Today, Mr. Goyal's expertise and experience in this pivotal field have not only inspired us, but also ignited the spark within us to turn possibilities into concrete realities. On behalf of the Entrepreneurship Development Cell of St. Xavier's College Autonomous Kolkata, I am honored to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Vaibhav Goyal for generously sharing his extensive knowledge with us. It has been a pleasure to host an expert of such eminence. We consider ourselves privileged that Sir took time out of his busy schedule to engage with our audience today. This is a testament to his dedication, promoting and developing an innovative mindset. A special mention to our respected principal, Reverend Dr. Father Dominic Savio SJ, and Vice Principals, Reverend Dr. Father Joseph Kolindai SJ, Reverend Dr. Father Peter Arokium SJ, and Professor Bertram Da Silva for encouraging us to pursue greatness and live up to the Blades of Ariel reputation. I also thank our faculty advisor, Dr. Arup Kumar Mitra, for his leading supervision and support every step. We extend our sincere appreciation to our attendees for their patience, active participation, and thought-provoking questions. Your involvement has made this session truly remarkable. Last but not the least, I extend my utmost gratitude to the members of the Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Your unwavering support, timely execution, and valuable guidance have been instrumental in the success of this session. Attendees, the short link to access both the credit sheet and the quiz form will be shared in the YouTube chat box. So kindly fill the sheet to avail the 4 hours of non-academic credits first. For those interested in receiving e-certificates, please make sure to complete the quiz within 15 minutes. Once again, thank you all for tuning in with EDC. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you for having me here and looking forward. And please feel free to reach me for anything that you need further on this. Thank you.